Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we will learn a beautiful monochrome artwork. So for this you required pencil, round brushes. So here I am using a 10 number round brush and 0 or 2 number anyone. Then palette and poster colors. Now first we will understand what is monochrome. Monochrome means one color. So in relation to art, a monochrome artwork is one that includes only one color with the help of white and black. So white and black are not the colors. And you can use blue, red. So any one shade of color you can use for the monochrome art with the black and white. So let's start. First we'll draw one border here. This one is A4 size drawing book. First we'll draw some reference lines, the drawing part. Just check how much distance I'm leaving from the top side. We require this type of lines 1, 2, 3, 4, approx 4 lines. The next layer, it is little bit slanting this side. The third one, and the fourth one. Okay, so these are our reference lines before coloring. Now let's start with the coloring part. So monochrome means single color. So we'll take orange one. Orange is the secondary shade. So you can take direct orange also, or you can prepare the orange. Like I'm preparing the orange with the help of red and yellow. So this one is the lemon yellow and this one is poster red. These are the poster colors. First I took yellow one, then I will mix a little bit red in the same. We are preparing single color, that is orange one. Yes, it's perfect now. So this one single color we will use, that is orange for the today's monochrome. And for the tints and tones we will use white and black. So I am taking a little white also here in the next box. In black, Black we required a little quantity. See, this one is the black. For this one area, this black is enough. Now wash your brush properly and change this water. Now let's start. First, we'll start from this point. So here we'll use light one, then little bit darker than previous, little bit more darker than previous. So in this way we will complete the monochrome. I'm taking a little quantity, very little quantity of this color and mixing it with white. Yes, this one shade is perfect. Okay, so this one is the tint. When we mix color with white, that is called tint. This is our first tint. Now we'll start here from this point. Use the ice cream melted thickness of the color. Check the thickness. Cover the entire portion, top side part. Perfect. The next step, wash the brush properly and again take some quantity from this color and mix it with this previous box. You have to take this white quantity a little bit properly because we are going to add the color in the same box. I'm taking a little bit more because this shade should be darker than previous. You can check it with this. Is this a darker than previous? Yes, so we can use this shade. Thickness of color should be ice cream melted because these are the pastel colors. As you can see, this one is the darker than previous one. Now I will add tree also with the same color. Here you can use a small number brush also. A very small size trees. Okay, next step, we'll add more color in the same box. For every step we are just adding more color in the same box and continuing on the paper. So as you can see, slowly it is increasing the darkness of the color. Now we will check it with this. Is it darker than previous? Yes. For the trees, just tap the brush on the tip of the brush. As you can see, it is slowly increasing the darkness. Now, fourth one part. Wash the brush properly. Now, we will use this one directly on this part. We'll check, is it darker than this one? Yes. Perfect. Now we'll continue with this color. Now this one is the last one. Here we will use the black also with the color. So here I am mixing a little black quantity with the color, and this one we will use for the last part. Okay, now we'll check with this scale. Is this darker than previous? Yes. As you can see, this is a little bit brown shade. a small number brush I am using to draw a figure here, human figure. And we have done with a beautiful monochrome art. Thank you.